In this video, I will show you how to cancel Shopify subscription. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is come across to Shopify and log in to your account. Now, once you're logged in, you want to come down to the bottom left-hand corner and click onto settings just down here. Then what you need to do is come across to this menu on the left-hand side, locate where it says billing, give that a click. And this way you can come to actually cancel your subscription. So you would come down to the subscription section down here, click onto view all subscriptions, and you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. What you can then do is come back to this menu on the left-hand side and click onto plan. And at the very bottom of this page, you will see the option to deactivate store just down here. So what you would do is click onto this button. You're going to get some options come up. All you want to do is come down and click on to deactivate your store. Now, your store information does get retained for 2 years, so you can come back and reactivate your store within 2 years if you do decide to change your mind. However, what you're going to want to do is just click down there and then come down and click on to continue. Then it's going to ask for the main reason you're closing this store. So you want to select the appropriate reason from the drop down box. What I'm going to do is just come down and select I'm finding Shopify to be too expensive and then click continue at the bottom. Now what's going to happen, you're going to get a message come up which says after you deactivate your store, you will no longer have access to Shopify admin, including your sales data reports, all product and customer information. If you do decide to give this another try, we'll retain this information so you can kickstart your store with ease. Now what you can do is tick the box here to store your payment details for easier store reopening. I'm going to leave that blank, and then all you need to do is come down, enter your password into this box and then press the red deactivate store button. So it just takes a minute or two to process through, and what's going to happen is going to take you to this screen where it says your store is now deactivated. So that means your subscription is cancelled, and that is how to cancel your Shopify subscription. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.